In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Snowflake account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in signup.snowflake.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll directly be led to the official website of Snowflake. If you sign up for your account, you'll be able to enjoy various benefits. You'll be able to gain immediate access to the AI data cloud. Also, you'll be able to enable your most critical data workloads. You'll be able to scale instantly, elastically, and near infinitely across public clouds. Also, you'll be able to enjoy other benefits. So Snowflake is actually a paid platform. So for that, you'll have to pay a certain amount. But you'll be able to start your 30-day free trial. For that, what you have to do is simply fill in these details that you can see right over here on your screen. Click on the field of first name and enter the first name. Likewise, enter the last name. Now provide your work email. Click on the field of work email and enter the work email over here. Make sure to enter the valid email address. Now click on this field. Why are you signing up? Now you'll be able to see the reasons over here. Click on the reason of your choice. Now once you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. According to the reason you select, you'll have to set up your account. Since I selected the option for I'm student and I'm trying to explore Snowflake, I'll have to enter the school name over here. So simply click on the field of school name and enter the school name. Now you'll have to choose your Snowflake edition. Click on this field. Now you'll be able to find the options for standard, enterprise, business critical over here. You'll also be able to see the features. So simply click on the option of your choice. Now you'll also have to select the cloud provider. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now you'll also have to select the reason. Click on the field of reason. Now what you have to do is simply click on the reason of your choice. Now once you do that, what you have to do is check on this box. I have read and agreed to the Snowflake self-service on-demand terms. Now click on this option, get started. Now you'll have to answer few questions. You can also skip the questions if you want. Here I'm just going to skip it. Again, I'm going to skip the question. Now you can see over here, activation link will be sent to your email. So what you have to do is go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, Gmail has been opened. Click on the email sent by Snowflake. After you do that, that particular email will be opened. Now over here, you'll be able to find the link for click to activate. Simply click on it. Now you'll have to choose a username and password. Click on the field of username. Now enter the username over here. Username can contain only letters and numbers. Now create a password for yourself. Your password must be 14 to 256 characters. It must contain at least one number, 0 special character, 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase letter. So simply create the password accordingly. Now confirm the password. Now after the password matches, click on this option, get started. Now you can see over here, your account has been created. You can select how you want to start right now, or you can simply skip for now. Now you can see over here, your Snowflake account has been created. So that is how you create Snowflake account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.